If you've lost access to your Kraken account and cannot receive verification codes, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process effectively. Step 1. Visit the Kraken support page. Go to the official Kraken website and navigate to the support section. Look for the option related to account recovery or lost access. Step 2. Submit a support ticket. Fill out the support ticket form with your account details. Provide as much information as possible, including your email address, account username, and any relevant transaction history to verify your identity. Step 3. Verify your identity. Kraken may require you to verify your identity through alternative methods. Be prepared to provide identification documents or answer security questions that you set up during account creation. Step 4. Wait for a response. After submitting your ticket, wait for Kraken's support team to respond. This may take some time, so be patient. Check your email regularly for updates or further instructions. Step 5. Follow the instructions provided. Once you receive a response, carefully follow the instructions given by the support team. This may include resetting your password or providing additional information to regain access to your account. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your Kraken account without verification codes. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to the support team for further assistance.